Well, last week Wednesday, I went out, and when I came back, I took a shower. So I came by my bed, beside my sofa that I'm sleeping on, to take up underwear to put on. And when I reached for the bag, the basket, I found out that the panties were wet. But a little rain drizzle, but I didn't know how extended it was. So I was like shocked, because I'm living in this apartment since 1920. But on the night of the old year, going into the New Year's, I was lying inside, and I heard someone dragging something across the roof. So I got up, and I opened the bathroom door and closed it to let them know that I heard what was going on. But I thought somebody was just pulling a wire to plug in or something. I had no idea what was going on. Then after the fire, my landlord approached me a week later to tell me that he has a letter for me from Horse Committee. Mind you, the night of the fire, I was standing here doing a spiritual program with my sisters. And I was the one who went and knocked his gate to alert him that there was a fire, because it was an elderly Asian woman living over there with her son that is not 100%. And I had to go and beat their door to come and take the boy from there and the grandmother, so as not to lose his life in the fire, which they got him out. I went to work the next day, and coming home, I heard a loud pounding on the roof. And I saw him up there hitting the roof. I came in and I went and lay down. Said nothing to him, I was shaking. 2 days later, rain fell. And I started having water all over my body. And I started crying 2 in the morning. He got up from where he was, and he came to check to see what was going on. He said to me, Miss Verna, what is going on? I said to him, I heard you beating the roof. And look what is happening. Why did you do it? But I never let you know I was inside the house. And he himself came in, moved around the furniture, and helped me to have a sleep.
Okay. When he told you to move, did you consider to look for another place?
I'm looking, but he says I have a furniture, and I went to FCCA, and I asked FCCA to give me somewhere to go. But FCCA can't find me somewhere because they said more people are in front of me. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
So I have to wait for those people. And I find places, but they are either furnished or they're too small. And it's in the situation I'm living into here, I refuse to live worse than I am living here or just as I'm living here. I want to have somewhere where I can put my furniture and live comfortable. They wreck the roof so much. When rain fall Monday night, that is my experience with the water. I was never here when the rain fall. So on Monday I was sleeping and rain started falling. And there was nowhere for me to lay down. There was nowhere for me to sit down. There was nowhere for me to stand. And at 1 in the morning, I have to call the police, and I have to call my elder to come and see the situation. Right. And I'm not able to. Last night I had to sleep like a crooked, just to find somewhere to put just this upper part of my body, because I refuse to go and beg somebody a catch in their house or something.
Now, one question.
If I get somewhere to live now, I move until FCC give me a house. Okay. I'm not begging help. I just need somewhere to live to get out of this man's house before the worst happens to me.